everyone. My name is Smriti. I'm a cardiologist and I'm learning crafting, and I hope I can share some tips with you. We're gonna make a Diwali candle today. And Diwali is the Indian New Year's, and so in order to make the logo right for this candle, we need to first measure the height of this candle. So you take a tape measure. It comes out to be about 3 inches in height. And so if we would leave about a ½ inch gap on both sides, it'll look nice. So we'll make our object 2 inches in height. So let's go to Cricut and make our object. Here's a logo I made to put on our candle today. The significance of this logo is it is a diya, which brings light and warmth to everyone's hearts. I've modified the design a little bit as I noticed the cursive writing is very difficult to weed out. And so I made it block lettering for my first try. And let's see what happens. And I love this vinyl from heattransfersource.com. Now, just so you know, the vinyl that you can stick on to materials has a grid on the back. And that's how you know it's not the iron-on, it's the one that you can stick onto objects. So we're going to use a variety of different colors, including this very cool red metallic vinyl for the lettering and some of the petals at the bottom of the rose. In order to get the letters to line up perfectly, I'm going to try a trick and see if this works. This is like transfer tape is what this material is called. And I'm going to try to stick the letters onto this tape and then stick the tape onto the object, and let's see if this works. So there's a backing to this, so let me cut the amount that I need. Onto here, let's see if this works. My first time trying this. Okay, now let's see if it'll come off of this. Really rub it on here good. Start with this side. Transfer tape is really useful. Highly recommend it. Oh, yay! Here's our finished product. A nice diya with Happy Diwali. I'm gonna give this awesome candle to my grandma as a first crafting gift. Let's see what she thinks. Hi, Nani ji.
So nice.
Yeah, Happy Diwali.
Yeah, so nice. I am surprised. Every time I see it, then happy. I am happy, so happy.
For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.